Hello, and welcome to our English lesson. Today, we'll practice our listening and speaking abilities while diving into an intriguing story. Meet Jake, a book lover who changed his life with a 15-minute training routine. Don't skip, find out how ignoring his health became a game changer. Stay attentive, pay attention, and expand your vocabulary with Jake's remarkable adventure.
Hi, my name is Jake. During my workday, I am surrounded by books. I love my job, but I realized I was ignoring my health. So, I made a change. I started a 15-minute workout routine, and it's been a game changer. Every morning, I wake up, stretch, and dive into my quick workout. To warm up, I do jumping jacks and toe touches, which wake me up and get my heart pumping. Then, I do bodyweight exercises. Push-ups are my favorite. They're tough at first, but I've seen improvement. Squats follow nothing fancy, just enough to feel the burn. I added a bit of yoga, not an expert, but basic poses like downward dog, child's pose, and warrior pose bring flexibility and relaxation. To finish, a quick cool down with stretching, touching my toes, and reaching for the sky. It helps me unwind and prepares me for the day. This 15-minute routine may not seem like much, but it changed everything. More energy, better sleep, and a clear mind. If you're like me, juggling work and life, try a short workout. It doesn't have to be fancy, just move your body. In the future, you will thank you.
Learn some interesting vocabulary and expressions before we practice our speaking skills. Let's learn interesting English words from the story we've just covered to improve our English. Ignoring definition, disregarding or neglecting something intentionally. Example, Jake realized he was ignoring his health by not paying attention to his physical well-being, despite the demands of his job. Game changer, definition, something that significantly alters the current situation or has a profound impact. Example, adopting a 15-minute workout routine proved to be a game changer for Jake. It transformed his energy levels and overall well-being. Tough, defined as difficult or challenging, requiring considerable effort or determination. Example, initially, the tough nature of push-ups tested Jake's strength, but over time, he conquered the challenge with consistent practice. Improvement, definition, the act of making something better or the state of being better than before. Example, Jake noticed a significant improvement in his stamina and muscle strength after incorporating regular exercise into his routine. Burn, definition, the sensation of fatigue or discomfort in muscles during intense physical activity. Example, the satisfying burn Jake felt during his workout indicated that he was pushing his body to become stronger and more resilient. Flexibility, definition, the quality of bending easily without breaking, adaptability. Example, yoga enhanced Jake's physical flexibility, allowing him to move more freely and comfortably during his daily activities. Clear mind, definition, a state of mental clarity and focus, free from distractions or stress. Example, the stretching exercises at the end of Jake's routine helped him achieve a clear mind, ready to tackle the challenges of the day with enhanced concentration. Juggling, definition, managing multiple tasks or responsibilities simultaneously. Example, Jake, like many others, faces the constant challenge of juggling work and personal life, making it essential to find time-efficient ways to stay healthy. Fancy, elaborate, or intricate, often unnecessary for achieving a particular purpose. Example, Jake emphasizes that a workout doesn't have to be fancy. Simplicity and consistency are key to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Thank you, definition, expressing gratitude for something received or acknowledging the positive impact of an action. Example, in the future, you will thank you for investing time in your well-being through a regular exercise routine. Now, we are practicing our speaking skills. Listen and speak.
Hi, my name is Jake. Hi, my name is Jake. During my workday, I am surrounded by books. During my workday, I am surrounded by books. I love my job, but I realized I was ignoring my health. I love my job, but I realized I was ignoring my health. So, I made a change. I started a 15-minute workout routine, and it's been a game changer. So, I made a change. I started a 15-minute workout routine, and it's been a game changer. Every morning, I wake up, stretch, and dive into my quick workout. Every morning, I wake up, stretch, and dive into my quick workout. To warm up, I do jumping jacks and toe touches, which wake me up and get my heart pumping. To warm up, I do jumping jacks and toe touches, which wake me up and get my heart pumping. Then, I do bodyweight exercises. Push-ups are my favorite. They're tough at first, but I've seen improvement. Push-ups are my favorite. They're tough at first, but I've seen improvement. Squats follow nothing fancy, just enough to feel the burn. Squats follow nothing fancy, just enough to feel the burn. I added a bit of yoga, not an expert. But basic poses like downward dog, child's pose, and warrior pose. Bring flexibility and relaxation. To finish, a quick cool down with stretching, touching my toes, and reaching for the sky. To finish, a quick cool down with stretching, touching my toes, and reaching for the sky. It helps me unwind and prepares me for the day. This 15-minute routine may not seem like much, but it changed everything. More energy, better sleep, and a clear mind.
Listen to the story carefully. One more time.
Hi, my name is Jake. During my workday, I am surrounded by books. I love my job, but I realized I was ignoring my health. So, I made a change. I started a 15-minute workout routine, and it's been a game changer. Every morning, I wake up, stretch, and dive into my quick workout. To warm up, I do jumping jacks and toe touches, which wake me up and get my heart pumping. Then, I do bodyweight exercises. Push-ups are my favorite. They're tough at first, but I've seen improvement. Squats follow nothing fancy, just enough to feel the burn. I added a bit of yoga, not an expert, but basic poses like downward dog, child's pose, and warrior pose bring flexibility and relaxation. To finish, a quick cool down with stretching, touching my toes, and reaching for the sky. It helps me unwind and prepares me for the day. This 15-minute routine may not seem like much, but it changed everything. More energy, better sleep, and a clear mind. If you're like me, juggling work and life, try a short workout. It doesn't have to be fancy, just move your body. In the future, you will thank you.
Goodbye for now. You've done great by tuning in and practicing. Remember, consistent practice brings improvement. Each lesson gets you closer to fluent English. Hit like and subscribe for more lessons. Keep practicing, and soon you'll speak English really well. Until next time, take care and keep learning.